Hey friends, I've got a really exciting new update that we have just launched in VerifyiQ. The ability to disable or enable individual rules on a per client basis. This has been a popular request where, depending on the client and the situations around a client, maybe not every single rule applies. So, this is the ability to not only disable the rule, but will actually hide that tab and any transactions related to that rule from the test. I'm going to jump here into Acme and Company. And what we are going to do is look at this test rules. So this is where we go in to customize individual test rules. When you are in there, you will notice on the right-hand side, there's now the ability to toggle the test rules on or off. So on the client dashboard, you could disable or enable the reconciliation or the new items. If maybe you're not concerned about large purchases on a certain customer, you could disable the large purchases from the rule. Or if maybe it's a customer that maybe is super seasonal and the balance sheet comparison and the income statement comparison just isn't a really good test for that client, you could disable those rules. When you save it, it will prompt you to rescan, which will reapply all of the rules based on the new settings that we just adjusted in the categorization. And when we come back, you will see that the rules that were disabled, those tabs are hidden and those transactions no longer impact the scores of the health of the books. And you can see large purchases is missing, the comparison tabs are missing. And if we go back into the test rules, we can easily see which rules are disabled. We can re-enable them in the future if we want. We can leave them disabled. Whatever the case is, this gives you more levers for you to really customize those test rules based on the needs of the individual client. We hope you like it. We'd love to hear your feedback if you like it, if you have other ideas, whatever the case may be. I hope you have an awesome day. See you.